We are here! We are here! We are here! We are here! This will teach you not to make up stories about people on specs!
Listen, there they are!
Was watching you, and my mom's been telling me that you...
Robin, Angel! It's not working. I can hear you, but their ears aren't strong enough.
We need to be louder! Get every who to make noise! Everyone! Jojo, we're going! We need every voice! Jojo!
You need to make some noise down there, or we'll all be destroyed!
The mayor to Tom Tom, wanted to smack it. Whoville, they whooped up a They rattled tin kettles, they beat on pans, on garbage pail tops and old cranberry cans. They blew on bazookas and blasted great toots, on clarinets, soompas and boompas and flutes.
There! Can they hear now?
Listen, please! It's the most beautiful thing ever!
I
don't hear nothing.
I don't think so, but keep trying! Oh, I'll never give in! Oh, are you sure that every Who down in Whoville is trying?
Where's Joe?
At the old observatory.
Huh? So, you think you can sneak up on me, huh? It is clear that you are no match for my technique. Hey! I see you have mastered the way of the snapping branch. Watch me tumble!
Horton, mouse, go!
You are fast, Horton, but the kangaroo has monkeys! I will make monkeys of these monkeys. It is their destiny. Huh?
Horton is the greatest hero of them all, huh?
Horton, go! But Mount New is that way! Ha ha ha! To the top of Mount New, as fast as lightning. Away I go!